Everywhere you'll see some few parks. As long as they are open and there are no renovations, they have not put any barriers to stop you from accessing the places. Well guys, there is also a place here where they come and play some games like how do you call this one, pickleball? How do you call it? It looks like tennis. Guys, help me on this one. So yeah, the place is very huge, and it has like the way you see here, people come to play. Yeah, if you know you trust your knees, you are very fit, you can run left, right, you can jump, you can do everything. So this place is also good for you to come and visit in your own free time. So that's the surrounding with this place. The other side you see even Sheraton area. I will show you a place in front right there. Yes, so across, this is the side of the road that is passing right here, and this is the view that is here. You'll be facing the road exactly. Yes, right here where you see I'm pointing, they told me there was an open beach behind that long building. Just that long building ahead, it's open every Friday. So today was Friday, so I had to head there and see what was going on exactly. So guys, I wanted to show you how this place looks like in the night, when night falls. So I will be taking my turn back to the metro station. You'll be seeing. So I went there down to the beach. I had to check the beach. There were so many people. I didn't record, I didn't do anything, but people were having so much fun. Yeah, so there were so many people, African, Asians, Arabs. Yes, so it's open guys, you can go and check it out. You're all welcome. So here you see that is Sheraton Hotel. Yeah, and then these two towers are all connected to City Centre, and then the other two towers also connected to City Centre, and that is a Marriott Hotel. Yeah, this is the Doha that you see right here. Well, and it looks so different at night, totally different. The lights bring out the city so alive at night, so better than day. Yeah, like I told you in my previous video, the lights here are everything, literally everything. See right there, very good looking, beautiful sceneries. Night, oh wow, it's just something else, so different. Yeah, well, next to the DCC, this is a DCC, that's then there is a park around here. People come around with their children. This is a playground for families. Children, they come play around, have some good time. There are so many parks around here. The tennis playing court here. And then our beautiful buildings right there. It's not that I own any. You hear me saying our beautiful buildings. I mean the ones that belong here in Qatar. So those that belong here. So yeah, buddy. It's like the big man always say, yeah, buddy. City Centre, yo. That's Hotel Rotana here. And then the other one with the red lights, that's Marriott. Marriott, boy. Night lights are everything here in Qatar. Yes, the city becomes so alive. People move outside, and it's a different atmosphere. Winter is totally different. So many people. There are so many people. It's like you wonder, like everyone was patiently waiting for evening hours, such that they can come out, because even during day people still come out, but just because during day everyone is working, let's say everyone is focused with work, everyone is busy, but from the afternoon everyone finds time to come out, and they play around, they move around, they have some nice time. So that's how it is. So yeah, this is the place right there. As I was saying, me and my colleagues we have some beautiful memories with that place. So they can relate. I will not mention their names, but when they see my face, they will know whom I'm referring to. Yes, that is the place. This is Rotana City Centre. Night time, everything comes alive. Don't ask me what this is. Even I don't know. It's strange. I don't know. I don't know. I just admire the art. So that's the parking that is going to City Centre, where the cars are coming from. Very huge parking. I could have gone inside, but the problem is such places, they are not good for recording. Not because they don't look good to record, but because of the rules, the restrictions that are there. People are everywhere, you're not allowed to go. Then all of a sudden you start recording. People are so many. So putting people's faces in video, pointing the cameras at them. Yeah. So even security itself, you might have a phone. Phone is normal. Some people take pictures, small recordings, or even phones, they attract attention, but camera like this one, no. Yeah, just like one of my videos where I was recording previously. I was coming from the metro side. Security asked if I can switch off my camera, because he said for the phone it is fine. The phone was fine. These cameras, no. Cameras, they attract a lot of attention, so you don't need to go around pointing cameras in people's faces. It's not your intention to record them, but still it captures that attention. Like, hey, why are you pointing the camera in my face, just like any other person. So this is it. This is the DCC on the left, and this is the city center that you always hear about, having two entrances, one in the front, one in the side. Yeah, Marriott this side, and then Rotana the other side. Within in the middle, other departments like supermarkets, exchange, whatever's, pharmacies. We have some small branches of banks also there. Yeah, there are a lot of things inside there, so anything you'd want to look out, be it to deal with the bank services, exchange, grocery, shopping, literally anything. Yeah, this is one of the major entrances. You walk by foot, though you see cars are going there. You can walk by foot and you access the place. Then the other side, yeah, you can go there too. Yeah, this is the city center, and I will show you one of the entrances ahead there, where there are escalators, lift. As soon as you reach up, after walking that corridor, as soon as you enter, just as soon as you enter there's a layout of this whole building, like a model, you know, a model of the place of that whole building, from this side up to that side. It's just a model, like on the table, showing the layout of the whole place with the illustrations. Yes, like a plan of the building, how everything is positioned. They show you east, they show you west, they show you front side, they show you back side. They put some illustration this side. When you are going this side, you find these things. When you go the other side, you find these things. So yeah, forgive me guys, it's very noisy here. I may be talking that loud. It's very noisy because of the sound of the ACs that are on both sides. This side of the DCC, we have, I think, fans that are blowing air. Then this other side also, we have fans that are blowing air from this side of the building. Strong ACs, so that is the sound you hear. Maybe if it interferes with my voice, I don't know if I'm talking too loud or I'm talking using the low tone, but yeah, that is it. So yeah, this one here, you see here, that's where I was working, around there. That was my post. Hey, that was my place. Me and one of my colleagues, we were working there. And then whenever I felt that coldness, when it hit me, hitting me to the bone, because it's too much AC inside there, I used to come from inside, then I step outside around here. There's a door around here. There, just there, small door. Then I stand here, get some warm air. So yeah, this is the DCC for you. Yeah, that was one of my first locations that I worked. I'm a veteran there, so me and some of my colleagues. So yeah, so as I was telling you about that walk-through, here there are escalators, and then you walk like this around this point where it ends here. Just inside there, you will see the layout of the whole place. There is a small layout, like not that huge, showing each and everything that you see right from this side until the other side. It's like a model, plan. I don't know if it's a plan, I don't know if it's a model, but it shows each and everything. It pinpoints, it shows you from this side we have these structures, from this side. Yeah, you see everything. So okay guys, we are back. This is the front side of the DCC, I think, metro. Yeah, not front side of city center, because the front side of city center is in the sides and the other side. So this side and the other side, then the other side, this side, it is in the back. So yeah, I guess we meet in the next one.